joining, I think. Let them. So we'll wait another 2 minutes and we'll start.
So good evening all. Can you hear me? Anybody can reply in chat box. Satish, can you hear me, right? Okay.
So good evening, all. Myself, I'm Mallikarjun Patil. I handle marketing and customer engagement for Pragyan AI. I'm in the industry from last 12 years. So I have worked with various MNC companies like Home Predict, like Tata Capital First and all. So now I'm with AI. Our, like one more colleague, Satish is also with us. He's the CEO of our company. So before starting orientation, I'd like to give introduction about what other program which we are doing with our company. Okay, so we were from last 12 years with the industry, and we used to give training for the working professional and all. Even we are closely working with IT. Karnataka State Government of IT Ministry and as well as Skill Development Ministry. So we are doing a project with the Karnataka IT Ministry as like center of excellence. We are setting up across Karnataka. So already we are working with Kalyan Karnataka region and as well as Bangalore region. And other like we have created hub region wise. So every district there will be a center. So in the coming days. And one more program, we have private program also for engineering students. So which is the fantastic program. We will train students when like engineering, when you are in engineering, like first year, second year, and the third year and final year. So we will be so our first USP is to like students will be paying after they getting the job. In fact, so various students will have concern on fees and all. So that way, and we will be offering even internship also as well. This program is completely unique, like where directly company will a lot of MNC companies have aligned with us. In fact, so to avoid their like training cost after you joining the companies, usually they'll be spending like 7 months for training. After 7 months, 8 months, and all students are joining. Students will join to some other company. To avoid that, they have aligned with us. In fact, where like students, when you are in final year or pre-final year, will start training. Like what industry training, what they will give in the corporate, same training will be given in the when you are in final year or pre-final year. So that's how the training model, and we are closely, as I told you, like we are working on a lot of government projects, and also we are offering, like internship program for the engineering students. And this is the internship program. So in the further orientation will be handled by Satish. Satish, you can carry on.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Satish here from Pragyan AI. To start, Mallikarjun has already explained about the Pragyan AI and the industry training. So this is founded by team is from NIT and IIT. So with the 15 plus years industry experience, worked in the top-notch kind of MNCs. So we deal mainly in one is the service side, the training and the consulting time. So like we work with consulting projects with some South African company, Australian and Canadian, US companies. Like we do some consulting work there, and we also do our own product also. Like we have education platform, health AI based product actually, healthcare platform, and we also do deep research, and we have associate work with the colleges and research companies to do deep research, write papers and file patents. This is all just overview about us actually. The intention of today's class, the interaction is actually like how should we engage with the students and give some kind of a internship experience, which they should feel that they should be working on some kind of a corporate project. Means like, is it as good as they are working in a company and working in a company kind of environment? So because what is happening is actually like there is a gap between the what we study in the academic and the how we should behave in the organization. Because in academic everything will be individual in this, and we will be doing our own activities. But when you go into corporate, everything will be teamwork, and everything will be monitored, recorded, and something like. So apart from just developing a code, you should also be doing all those other activities which you are not exposed to. So then thinking to give that kind of exposure to students, so that like simulate that kind of experience actually to students, we come up with something like an AI internship. Please mute it actually. And what is the intention here actually? Like so from day one we should be starting. Like so, for example, how the things will start. The first thing what we will be starting is actually starting with is actually from June 15 to June 18 is a team formation. So team formation means like we are not saying that like you should team with this person or that person. So among the list of the people, so you should be forming a team. So you should be forming your own like-minded people with 4 to 5, 6 people should be a team. You first formation of a team. So so you can take diverse background, or you can take same background, or it's up to somebody with web Python good, somebody is good in visual deep learning, somebody good in NLP or something like. So you can create a team combination of 4 to 6 people. And among these 4 to 6 people, this timeline, what we thought is actually 3 days actually. From June 15th, we will be starting kicking off this internship. So I got the list of the people who are interested to work with that. So first thing is like we are asking that like within that list actually, so you should be forming your own team. So 15 to 18, 3 days, we will be working on a team formation. So, and then also you will be giving me that like who will be the leader. So initially thing is like we thought that like there will be faculty member, but later on we decided that like we will only do, because now assuming that like you are directly entering into corporate world, there won't be any faculty to handhold you. So among your team only, we will be selecting something. So you will only give option 1, option 2, option 3. And this program is up to something that like October 18. So 3 to 4 months actually. So why we made, actually it should be supposed to be 3 months, but we took it 4 months because there is a in between 20 days exam holidays there. Like, so the college saying that like there will be in between 15 to 20 days exam holiday should be there. So there should be gap. Means like after kicking the program, so will be some gap, then the actual work will start. So first task you will be doing is actually you will be forming a team of 4 to 6 people, and then you will be selecting who will be the leader. Either you can select right now, or you can select, you can just announce actually who will be the first leader, like who will be leading actually the team. And then when that team members and the leader is decided, then we will be having project selection from June 18 to June 25. we will be selecting a project. Means like I will provide a list of the project, like I have given the list of the project. And if you wanted to say that like I also wanted to my own project also wanted to, because intention is not to just give the project, intention is also to make your that like you just emulate the corporate world. So you, if you have your own thing, you can also come up with that and no issues. But this is the time frame. I will give the list of like, so when the team is there, so I will be after June 15th, I will be giving the list of the projects which you should be selecting. So you will be selecting that list of the projects from that, and you will be saying that like which project I will be trying. So after that, like I think you already have a project software engineering project management course maybe. So you should be creating something like a Gantt chart. So something like a Gantt chart is actually, I will just show you. So something like this chart you will be preparing. So some kind of a Gantt chart you will be preparing, saying that, is it visible? The screen is visible?
Yes, yes, visible, visible.
Yeah. So something like this. So you will be dividing that project, whatever the project is there. So sub things actually. Like, so for example, if I say that like create a library platform, or like if I say that like create a face recognition thing. So in that, like what is the first task? So collecting a data set is the first task. What is the second task? Then so selecting that like whether I wanted to develop in a Kaggle or a Google or something that like then who will be working on the model development, who will be working on the model fine tuning, and who will be working on the model deployment. So and who will be, so something that like, so you can divide into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of tasks actually. And then you personally allocate, because I wanted that work who will be doing is the person who is the leader. So that is the work, and this will be done. And if you have some difficulties, I will share you that like how to prepare a Gantt chart and all those things. But intention is actually that has to be created. So first the intention is actually you should be able to create this Gantt chart. So that is the first thing actually. So you should be coming up some kind of a, like, even if you are not able to do, so this is a high level kind of thing what I'm trying to say. So means like it will start from June 18, so till July 18. So in between some gaps. After that, actual project work will start. And first demo. So September 18 is the first demo. October 1st is second demo, and October 18 is the final demo. So how we will be splitting the activities before first demo, what you are planning till first demo, what you will planning for second demo, what will be planning for the final demo. So this will be coming. So this will be preparing. This we will be preparing from June 18 to June 25. So and any so for example, some people takes more time, or some people already prepare, it's fine. But what we are saying that like I don't know when the exam will start. From that time to till exam side. So for whatever the project you are trying to select, so you should be having that pre-skill, because we are not training here, because you already trained, you already executed, but we are giving the exposure of how the corporate works. So till that time, if anything is missing, that like according to the project something skill is missing, you if you ask us actually what should be doing, then we'll be giving you some kind of a free courses, or like some tutorials or something you can refer and you can do. So after the exam, so I don't know the exact date, that's the reason. So after the exam, the project will kickstart. So when the project kickstarting, no, so it will be something that like project kickstart will be again is a event actually, like something like that. Like now we are doing a orientation program, something that a project kickoff will be starting. So in that, every team lead will be presenting, explaining the kickoff of the project, and explaining who will be owning what model, and what is their plan, and what they wanted to demo on the first model or first demo, what they want to demo on the second, and what they will the final thing. And then he will be explaining everything, and he will be publishing that actually. Like, so that is a 10 to 15 minutes actually, 10 to 15 minutes. And you will be doing that virtual kickoff, either one after one, or you can do like somebody is say that like I will do well ahead, you can do a video recording, and then that we will play actually. So that, and all these things will be whatever we are trying to do, everything will be, I'm trying to create a Google Classroom, everything should be recorded, everything I'm trying to put into some kind of a place actually. I will explain that in a later on. So something that a Google Classroom I'm trying to create, and all those activities what you are trying to do, everything should be recorded, including this session I am trying to record and I'm trying to put into the Google Classroom. So Google Classroom I will provide and I will give you access to that. And everyone has to be kick off. The kickoff time will be actually like when it has to be kicked off, depending on the when your exam ends. So because JSS management told actually there is some exams is there, so we should be like so before exam the project team formation and project selection and project planning and some kind of upskilling like any skills is missing in that to complete that work, you should be doing that actually. Project kickoff will start after the exam. So if I know the date, do you know the date actually? When is the last day of the exam? You people know the date?
No, sir.
So assuming that, I am thinking that when is the exam start date?
Sir, assuming that all the students are from 6th semester, the lab exams are announced to be started. They should start at the last week of August, and the final exam start at the end at the second week of September.
So who are the students? Like somebody is the final year passed out also there, no? So or like all 6 semesters.
For 6 semesters, this is the timetable right now VT has given.
Okay, so 6th semester is different. And what about that final year students? 8th semester. Okay, so I need to get this data. So then the kickoff will start. So if the exam is in August, then we can do kickoff very early. So if exam is, so you are saying August, no? So we can do kickoff in July 1st. So project kickoff in the July 1st actually. And whenever there is an exam is there, during that time we will be taking that gap actually. So it's like things will change. So if the exam is immediately like they said actually they will be there at the second half of the June end. So then we will be doing July 15th or July 18th will be the starting. So is the I will be starting actually July 15th or 18th. I don't know that. So if it is ending at 7th of July, then we will be starting at 8th. So this is what. So when this project is kicked off, so how things will be working is actually it is something that like a day-to-day corporate work. So how things will be there. So team meeting will be there. So team meeting who will conduct, who will be the leader. So first one person will lead for some time and another person will lead, because we wanted to get exposed. Everybody should get exposed to the leadership skills actually, how to motivate the people, how to track the things and how to present the result actually. So to the team or management or review or something. So what it will be there like so team meeting will be there. So they have to conduct the team meeting. The procedure what we said is here is actually every day. Like so, I think somebody is a final year people. When who completes the final year, they will be full time. That's what I told. So I thought based on that I have done. But if it is they have the curriculum also, then we will adjust it actually like how it can be done. But if it is they are working in a full time, so they will be working before it start a day. Like for example, they say that like our working hours is from morning 8 to 4 o'clock, or like some 4 hours or 5 hours they have to fix actually. Or if it is they have a class, then 3 hours or 2 hours, then this is not necessary. If they are not full time, the only weekly progress meeting will be there. If they are working in a full time, so fix a time frame. So 9 a.m. everybody has to be there. So there will be something that like a all hands meeting will be there. Means like leader will say that like this is my plan. So they should say that this is my plan. This is the work I should be doing, and then everybody will be explaining that like what I have done and what supposed to be done, what is not there. This is only for 10 to 20 minutes all hand meeting, and this concept is from Japan actually. Almost all Japanese companies, they do all hands meeting at early morning, much like the start of this day and at the end of the day. So 10 to 20 minutes only. It is not that more. Just 1 or 2 or 3 sentences. So what I am planning to do, what I have done, what I was supposed to do, or like missing or lagging or something in 3 sentences only, and that is everything will be recorded. Means like what is that I am trying to introduce here is actually you should plan and work. It is not that like randomly something happened randomly. No. So corporate, when you enter into corporate world, everything will be systematically tracked, systematically monitored, systematically executed. It is not that randomly I have taken one project and do it. So every day there will be 10 to 15 minutes highlight meeting. So the leader should be in, going, and it's like it's virtual only, like something like that. Like I am coming here. So what I will be doing? So I will be presenting this something that like this is my table, or like no, this is weekly, no. So day by day is actually. So then I'm one by one person will be saying that like what is the task allocated him and what he will be doing. So that is 10 to. Then after the end of the day, they will be doing another 10. So like whatever the how many hours they will fix. So 10 to 20 minutes actually. Everybody has to. It's like why 10 to 20 minutes? So sometimes it is everybody can complete in 2 minutes. Sometimes some issues or something is comes. So it will take more time, but it should not be more than 20 minutes. Then that doesn't make sense of that like Alan's meeting. So in short, actually, and they will be like the whatever that happens, like the progress, the leader should be writing a meeting minutes actually. Means like, okay, so some tasks are in line and some tasks are not in line, or something is, or some issues or something like that. This is a daily meeting. And weekly meeting, weekly progress meeting can be 30 minutes to 1 hour. So depending on like what all things we have done and how we are able to achieve the plan what we prepare. See, your own plan actually, the leader has prepared the plan, and how we are able to achieve for the first day, second demo, second, third. So you should be able to fill that actually. Readiness for final demo, readiness for second demo, readiness for first demo, and what we thought about and what is where we are lacking. So what should we be doing? Like, so small task, deliverables, dependency, start date, end date, completion, any reasons or something. This is weekly deliverable tables. So you will be filling that actually. So subtask, who is the owner of that actually, and what is the deliverable, what is the difficulty. So this you will be doing weekly, and this meeting is something around 30 to 30 minutes minimum to up to 1 hour actually, depending on your thing. And who will be calling the meeting, inviting the meeting, all the calendar events, everything, the person who is the leader. So who will be the leader? There is a rotational policy. It is not that like a one will be leader. So first time one will be leader, second time second person will be leader. So like that, like, so it is not that like only one person will be leader. So there will be multiple leaders will be there. So up to 4 leaders I'm trying to do, because I want everybody to get exposed to leadership skills actually. So how you are motivating the person and how you are tracking, how you are, but and everything will be recorded. Everything will be recorded and everything will be uploaded to the Google Classroom. So is any questions here till this point? Team formation, project selection. Project selection is like list of the project I will be doing and you will be selecting. Preparing roadmap and project kickoff starting, and daily all hands meeting and weekly progress meeting. Any questions from here to here? Okay. So the next, this is all will be done in team. So bi-weekly we will have a meeting. So bi-weekly, so Pragyan AI, and this is conducted from Pragyan AI and AI interns. I will show the platform actually. So this platform we will be using. So every now and then, like we will explore this AI interns platform, where you will be trying to build all these. This is the platform where you will be publishing your profile, and you will be creating all your profile. And finally, this is the platform where we will be uploading everything, the project and demos and everything, and creating your profile. So I will explain that later on, how we will do later on. But this external meeting will be attended by Pragyan AI, AI interns, and JSS coordinators. So that is bi-weekly kind of things. So everyone will be, the leader of the team will be scheduling and explaining their progress. Their concerns are like what kind of supports they need from the Pragyan AI, and discuss the plan to meet the deliverables as per them. It's like, how is the plan? Like, so for example, something is not happening or something that like, then we'll how to handle or manage the project. So this is all about how to handle the project, or how to plan, or like something can be leaved or something like, so that all discussion, but this is a bi-weekly thing. So to have a bi-weekly, So you should have conducted all those things, and we'll see that like we will guide you how to proceed further, or like what to be stripped off, or whatever it may be. So this is all. So the whole process will be something like that. Like so, till from when the project kick off, so daily meeting, weekly meeting, and bi-weekly meeting, and then everybody will be in bi-weekly meeting. So just what you have done in last 2 weeks, and then how much you are prepared to on in line with the first demo. So is it possible to demo on the first, or like something is there like preparedness for first demo, second demo, and third demo we'll be discussing. And there will be like before this deadline, so before the deadline, so what is called first demo, second demo, 1 week before, we will see that like who are all prepared. So what happens actually during the final demo, JSS team will also come, and external people also will be there, and just to demonstrate a capability of a JSS people, students actually. This is the one will be done, and we will be giving the marks for everything. So we will be giving the marks, and we will be ranking the team, and five top 10, 8 to 5 to 10 teams will be given rank, and they will be given some kind of a training on further 100 placement. That is the secondary, or some kind of a goodies will be planning. But after October 18, so we will be distributing the certificate for everybody, and then we will be creating a resume bank of the people who are all participated here, with their demo videos, their code, explaining the code, and their all these activities, and their certificate. So we will create a resume bank, and we will start circulating to the hiring companies who are associated with us actually. So somebody is looking at AI experts or something. So what we want to demonstrate actually, these students not only done the project, but they also done the project as per the corporate. They are ready for a corporate world. So the entire execution, entire thing is as per the corporate things actually, because what corporate is looking for is actually not, see again, they don't want the people to come here and then 6 months they spend on that person, and then that person started delivering something. So what we wanted to show them that like these people are ready to deliver from the day one. They understand the corporate culture. They have worked in that rigorous kind of environment, and the everything like meeting minutes, every scheduling, calendar, discussion, everything they have comfortable, and they can work in a remote environment and something. So then we will start circulating your resume bank with your achievements, because we are not saying that like something like you just hire a people. We will, if somebody wants to see, so we will expose their Google Classroom. They can see, and they can view your videos or a discussion, meeting minutes, weekly something, and they can start interacting with, like the AI interns has a platform where they can directly interact your profile. If you have a profile there, they will directly interact with your profile, and they will start hiring you. So this is the end. So this is how the whole process is there. So because the intention is actually you get understand about the corporate world, how it works, and then we will build in the your CV and circulating the corporate world, saying that like these people are corporate ready and ready for it. So this is what, because this is what we have things. So any questions here? So anything not understood? So
Satish,
yeah.
Mallikarjun here. So when we can start actually from 15th, right?
Yeah. First deadline is the team formation. So this team formation has to done at June 15th to June 18th. So they should be like, what is the output for me expected is actually team members. I should get a team members who are the members of that, and the leaders and the leader name.
Okay. Okay.
So that is the leader name. So that is the first thing. Then when I got a team member and leader, then we will be scheduling from June 18 to 25. So they will be selecting the project list. Like, so what I will be doing when the team leader announced, no, I will be sending the list of projects.
Okay.
List
So
of
total,
projects.
how many students will be in a team?
4 to 6 members.
Okay. Then what we'll do, we'll create a main group, a WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
And again, we will divide, like.
Yeah. So they themselves, because first we are trying to ask themselves to like, so first you create a one group for one team, one group for one college. Actually, there are 3 colleges are there, no? JSS Mysore, JSS Bangalore, and JSS Noida. So we'll create one group for one thing, and within those people, like in JSS Mysore or JSS something, they will be themselves interacting, because I don't want you to create. Usually in corporate world, they will form a team, but here we are not trying to create, because it is always good to work with your own friends. So I'm trying to say that like 4 to 6 people you will only select, and you only come up the list of who is the leader. So you can say that like first leader, second leader, third leader, either rotation order, or you can just give the one person name, and we will send you. So we will send you the list of the projects. So in June 18 to June 25, project selection and roadmap preparation. So they have to select the project, and if they don't understand the project or something, they need something, they can schedule a meeting. But if they know already, because most of the students are already worked on some AI projects, so it won't be difficult for them to come up the sub task in that, and prepare a roadmap. If they don't have that exposure, if they have to ask us actually, then we can have one more like how to create a project plan or something, that like we can have one more webinar there. But if somebody is like already exposed, like 8th semester, or like who already passing out, actually those guys should have that knowledge. So they will be preparing the project roadmap plan. So Gantt chart they already know. So that is the second thing. Then from June 25 to July 1st, till July 1st, whatever the essential skills, because they already know that like what all the sub tasks are there, what are the tools and technologies they will be using. They will be, this time is actually ramping up time. We say that like project ramp up time is like somebody who is lacking some kind of a skill, they will be exploring, or like self exploring or self learning kind of ramping up time actually. July 1st actually. So then these three is an one by after. Then the project kickoff will start. So that project kickoff will start. Then this process will go. So this date I will announce, because I don't know when is the exam date for 6th semester. This is changed now. So this kickoff will change. So depending on 6th semester team or like 8th semester team, this kickoff will change. But this is a first, second, third step.
Okay. Okay.
So somebody should give me that like the exam date for the 6th semester or 8th semester, and when the gap is there, because based on that only I can create a detailed plan. So, but this is a rough kind of plan, because I'm assuming it may be in some people have in between here, some people will have exam here. So this so the kickoff date will change.
No, all these students are from Mysore JSS, I think. Not Noida and Bangalore will connect later on.
Is it Mysore or Bangalore?
Mysore, I think.
Mysore.
Okay.
So any questions? Oh, somebody is from Bangalore also.
From Bangalore also. Okay. You are also students.
Coordinator name. Who is the coordinator name? Any coordinator's name?
No coordinator. I mean, Pradeep was there.
Pradeep was one main coordinator. So you get the details of the coordinator. Also, what you do, no? So you create Mallikarjun, create a team, one on group for one on college, and you become an admin, and coordinator will be one admin, and Pradeep may be another admin.
That's fine.
So you create, so they come to know, and they can discuss.
Okay. Okay.
So you create one group. So that is how. So any is it
Sanjay is the like who is the coordinator for JSS Bangalore.
Okay.
Okay.
So students, you understood this whole the thing, or so something that like I didn't knew that like some students are from 6th semester. So if they are 6th semester and 7th semester, how much load they have, class work they have? So 6th semester means like 7th and 8th.
Sir, if I have given the opportunity to speak, may I?
Yes.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Sir, as you mentioned right now, if the students are from 3 different colleges of JSS, Some are autonomous, some come under VTU, and other one I don't know which unit Noida comes under. Based on these three colleges, the examinations for each and every semester are different. And I don't think any of the three colleges examination match up with any of the given time. For Bangalore, it starts for the 6th semester, it's at August and September. For the 8th semester, it's again in the month of August, but they are not specified the ending date.
Okay. So who will go? We have to discuss with the coordinators, correct? So coordinator, yes, okay. So we'll discuss with the coordinator. So, but it will be only for 20 days, no? The exams will be maximum how many days exams will be there?
Actually, the writing exams will be for around 2 weeks, and the theory for around a week. The lab exam.
Lab, so that must like 3 weeks you are saying. So that 3 weeks must like 21 days.
3 weeks, but for under VT it will be spread around like 4 to 5 weeks. In that time gap, they will be keeping the exam.
Okay. So okay. So much like your coordinator only told that actually 20 days in between gap has to be there. So that I have done. So need to check actually again. So how?
Yes, I think that may be for the different autonomous colleges.
Okay. So that is the reason. Like I was only prepared June 15 to 18 and this one and this one from June 25. But I didn't have the clear picture about the project kickoff because it will change. So college to college and department to like 6th semester or 8th semester. But like initially like they are told that like everybody will be from 8th semester, like so who are passed out. Now they are saying that like 6th semester people also there. So that we will like see if it is 6th semester people. So this won't be that rigorous. 3 months won't be there. It will be little bit a few more like because it will be another 1 or 2 months extra. So because they have to accommodate their college workload and something like that. Because they cannot work completely, but for who already passing out or something, they are full time. So because we have to wind up in 3 months because they will be looking out for the job now. So the job placement because they can't be waiting for long duration to just to complete the project. So it depends on actually if it is a still their student, then it will be long duration, or else it will be short duration. That we will discuss actually. So that information, Mallikarjun, you should get that information from coordinator.
Sure. I'll speak after the meeting. I'll get them.
Yeah, you get that. And any other concern other than that actually scheduling and kickoffing actually?
Sir, one more for the team for the formation of teams. Sir, like as per I know, like many of the students from our college had applied, and I can see only few names over here. Like were we selected based on some kind of criteria?
There is no criteria. There is no criteria because I don't know like how it was happened, because when we see that actually they have given a list of the students from 3 different colleges. So you should be selecting from within your college or within JSS group only. Like either you wanted to do JSS Bangalore with JSS Mysore or Noida or something, you can do that actually. This is everything is related to JSS only. But if you wanted to do within your only college, usually I prefer within your only college will be better because you already have good rapport with them. So working relation will be better. So you can handle better. But if you want to, but in corporate world, it will always you won't be getting actually like always diverse people. So always that is also better, like working with the diverse kind of people who you don't know, because always you should be working with those kind of unknown kind of people there. So both are fine, but it's up to you. So we are not forcing anything. So we will create a group, WhatsApp group, on main WhatsApp group, and one on WhatsApp group for one on college, and then you should be brainstorming among your people, your own students network. So saying that like within that you circulate, or if you want some other person also wanted to join this or something, then you have to ask the consent from your coordinator. We don't have any issue there. So it is up to you. So any other questions? And one main thing is actually like 2 things is actually you should be working on a live kind of project, which is very good. which will help you to get placed. And we wanted to expose you that like corporate culture. So the key thing is actually you should behave or act or do everything how the corporate work works. Exactly same thing. So that like you can claim that like I'm ready for corporate. So what is the difference between you people and other people is that is what you say that like from day one I can start contributing. So the difference, the way we are marketing you people also to the other hiring companies actually, these guys has done and wonderful one, so they can check their things and hire. So we will be connecting because we dedicatedly work only data science and AI. So all the projects will be all we are giving is data science, machine learning. Yeah, data science and AI. AI also has a ML, deep learning, NLP, everything. So this is all we work on that domain only. And companies what we are sending your profiles will be all those kind of people who will be hiring these kinds of students, not other things like Java, web application, testing. We won't be like so. Everything is related to this domain.
Okay, so anybody can take initiative from your college. You can create a group and you can add me also. Okay, so already I have shared my number, the chat box.
So
Who
but
will?
they won't be knowing the list, no? List of the students.
Okay. Otherwise, what I'll do, I'll send a mail again, communication. Anyway, so that I'll be doing. If anybody, maybe if they are all from same college, same class, so they can create. No issue.
So how many people? I think as per the Excel sheet, like most of the people have worked with machine learning data science project. So how many people already done some project in AI ML? Almost all or like few, or how is the ratio?
You can reply in the chat box, no, individually.
So you people are comfortable, correct?
They are replying.
Yeah. And
Yes.
yeah, so this is a good opportunity to get exposed. And also like we are selecting top 10, 5 to 10, and we are giving our goodies from that. So one kind of goodies is actually like we will be giving training, so they can join our training if they want. And if uh, it won't be any fee initially, but if after you get a job only is there. Or else like there are another goodies actually like they will be hiring companies, we will be introducing. So we will be influencing them because we will be saying that like, these are the top performing teams are there. So and so the possibilities of getting high paid salaries also will be there. So any other question? If no question, then we'll end here. Shall we end here?
I think we'll end anyway. For further communication,
Yeah. Thanks for your time. We hope that we'll make this intensive activity successful. So goodbye.
Some people are sending message. Sir, if possible, it will be better if you can make group for us, hoping that you got our phone numbers details.
You got my mail, phone number, right? You can text me personally so that
No.
create.
They are asking us to do the group.
Okay.
And someone is asked, is this internship free, sir?
Industry free means?
Internship.
It is free.
Free.
It is not charged.
Free.
It is not. It is free. It is nothing. Yeah. No, it is not charged actually. It is JSS college specific to only JSS college, means like 3 colleges of a JSS. So we're completely free. And even when we are trying to build a CV, resume and marketing to the companies, it is also free. Nothing is paid. If only when if you we try to give a training, then it is paid. But that training is very lengthy, kind of like 6 months, 8 months in-depth training will give. But that too actually like if you want to opt, it is not that like there is no some compulsory. But this internship is completely free. There is no charge, nothing from our side. And the internship certificate, everybody who participated will give. So that is also nothing is charged here.
I think hope everybody clear now.
Yeah, we can end now.
Okay.